Well, it's pretty obvious that we're all some natural-born turkey killers.
We kill turkeys all the time. You think we get tired of it, but we don't. We love busting every little turkey head out there. Schlock 'em.
I think I was born mad at him. Something about growing up in the South, you just all of a sudden you have a take to turkey hunting.
Dude, we murdered turkeys this year.
We're stomping their heads a pretty good bit every weekend.
I think we went like 3 times this year that we didn't kill a turkey, and that was all Weber's fault.
That was a good start.
We love to hunt turkeys. I guess my rabbit hunting skills aren't what I thought they were. Kind of ruined my day. I don't know what happened. I don't know how I missed either, but I don't know. Dang. Ugh. Man. It didn't take long and we were back on another one. We just saw a bunch of turkeys across the road in a field. One crossed a big turkey. We're gonna try to set up, see if we can't call them across the road or something. We gotta be quick though. Heck yeah. Give me some on that, Rick.
Yeah.
Man, that's so awesome. That's the coolest hunt I've ever been on, Patrick. That's what I'm freaking talking about, dude. Give me some more on that one, Patrick. That's the coolest hunt I've ever been on, no doubt. After we killed this turkey, you know, we go back to the camp, we're watching film, and a little furry visitor shows up at our doorstep. Got me a new pet. Come here, little dude.
What are you looking for? There should be some on the other side.
If it crawls up my leg, I'm just freaking out. He's hanging on up your leg. What is it? Crawling up his leg. Crawling up my boot. It's a bit like a Frito. What about a Frito, dude?
Yep.
Whoop.
So I got good grip.
I always wanted a pet squirrel.
Well, no, hey, put him in the sack there.
There's your pet squirrel right there. Last year, I got the chance to hunt with one of my buddies, Collins Tab, at his place in Arkansas, and they are loaded with turkeys.
Everybody knows turkeys in Arkansas aren't quite the brightest, and so we let Weber call.
He lets me call.
If I was calling, it would be unfair to the turkeys.
They were gobbling like crazy, but we had a little unexpected guest come running in on us. So we hunted the rest of the day. We kind of figured out where they were roosting, kind of got the gist of the layout, where they liked to be, where they wanted to go, you know, the usual. And we got ready to get on the next morning. Somehow we ended up right in this turkey's bedroom, and I'm behind everybody calling, and Collins and Patrick are basically set up right on these turkeys. Collins doesn't even let this turkey take off his landing gear. I don't even know if he has completely hit the ground when he shoots him.
Collins, he's probably got the loudest shotgun in Mississippi.
So needless to say, neither I nor Patrick were expecting a shot.
I about to drop the camera.
What I'm talking about, Tab? Whoa! Splash hunt. How sweet is that? Now what? This ain't even, it's like 6:30. Yeah. What are we looking at here today? Oh, it's 4-year-old. That was interesting. I saw him fly down. I didn't see him fly down. I saw there was 2 or 3 of them fly down actually.
One just got right there.
Yeah. That what? It's 6:45. Anybody else want to go kill a turkey? Can't find a tree. It's sturdy enough to hold this big sun gun up. While we weren't filming, the turkey flopped into the camera. We got blood all on the lens. Alright, where are we going to hang it? Put that weak spur to make it fall. Dang it. He's got that one broke spur that just don't quite hold up for him.
know, big turkey slayer Weber, he tends to have to double tap his turkeys.
It's only fair to give them a warning shot.
Personally, I like to kill them, you know, first shot.
Pretty good morning. Kind of messed up the stand a little bit. While we're hunting, this is the first time we've been here because I ain't been to turkey to it at all. And we come here one time and kill one. It's a pretty good thing to say, I'd say. Man, I kind of messed up the fan when I rolled him. I was lucky enough to get to go on the hunt with Patrick and one of his buddies, Jacob.
This was probably one of my favorite hunts of the year.
Jacob had never heard a turkey, he'd never seen a turkey. I don't know that he's ever been turkey hunting.
He got to shoot one. It was absolutely perfect. It got me more excited than like any turkey that I've ever killed, than anybody I've seen kill one. It made me so happy for him to kill one.
Patrick has a camera and he's sitting with Jacob while I'm calling behind him, and Patrick is steadily coaching Jacob throughout this hunt, telling him what's going on, like what's probably about to happen and what to do. Jacob was, needless to say, he was very excited, but I think I think Patrick and I were more pumped than he was whenever that turkey hit the ground.
Is the camera video?
Yes.
It's freaking awesome.
Heck yeah, I mean, it couldn't have been more perfect.
Oh, dude, that was
They
freaking
worked in.
awesome. What I'm talking about.
That was fun, dude.
I've been sitting there for like 3 hours working the same turkey. I knew as soon as he gobbled that they were about to be done. And dude, they gobbled like right there. I videoed it on my phone and just come freaking awesome. Let's go check them out. Now he decides to fly. You stoned him, dude. I mean, freaking hooks.
I swear, I told him to shoot the video, one in the middle and one on the right.
That's freaking sweet. I mean, he's freaking boom. Didn't even flop, just hit the ground. Look at the spurs on it. I've been spurred once this year. I don't want to be spurred twice. That's awesome.
After Jacob killed his, my dad and I, we decided, heck, we're gonna go find another one. As luck would have it, we found us an old pasture bird roaming around looking for old lonely hen. About the time this gobbler gets halfway down the hill, my dad decides to tell me, hey, we're out of camera, we're out of video, so it's now or never. For obvious reasons, my dad is not the best cameraman in the world. I think whenever I miss the first shot like I usually do, he just kind of throws all video into the side and just decides I'm gonna just kind of kick the camera to the ground and, you know, not worry about it until after the turkey's dead. I didn't let him get away.
Mississippi, it is tough killing these eastern turkeys.
Being able to take somebody that never even heard a turkey or seen a turkey for that matter, to be able to take him on his first hunt and be able to call him up a turkey and watch him fold him. I mean, he didn't even flop. Watch him fold him like he did. You know, that's something you never forget. That's something special.
Chasing these eastern turkeys is kind of like chasing these southern women. Sometimes you get them, but a lot of times you don't.
Just something about the cool spring mornings and early sunrises that just make me want to. Maybe it's just me.